Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I will show you how to merge two photos in Android so you can easily combine your favorite memories into one single image. Now let's get started. Step 1, you need to install the Collage Maker app from the Play Store by searching for a highly rated editor. Step 2, locate the new icon on your home screen and open the app to access the main dashboard. Step 3, look at the main menu and tap on Collage, Multi-Fit or Freestyle depending on the layout you prefer. Step 4, a prompt will appear on your screen, so make sure to allow permission for the app to access your files. Step 5, browse through your media folders and choose your photos by tapping on the ones you want to combine. Selecting the right images at this stage ensures that your composition looks exactly how you envisioned it. Step 6, once you have made your selection, click Next at the top or bottom of the screen to proceed to the editing area. This action moves you forward in the process so you can begin adjusting the placement of your pictures. Step 7, look through the layout templates and choose the option to merge, which best fits the orientation of your images. This is where the actual merging happens as it aligns your separate photos into a single cohesive frame. Step 8, when you are satisfied with the look of your creation, click Save to finalize the edit. This step is important because it writes the new image file to your phone's memory so you do not lose your work. Step 9, exit the app and go to your Gallery app to check the photo in your recent uploads or collage folder. Checking your gallery ensures that the merge was successful and that the image is ready for you to share or use. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.